Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to back up your OKX wallet. It's pretty easy to get this done. Once your wallet is opened, make sure you're on the main menu. That's the home section at the bottom of the left screen. Make sure you're there, and you'd be prompted to back up your wallet if you've not done that already. The icon at the top left, click on this icon and click on wallet management, and then click on backup now. So you could either back it up via the Google Drive. That's if you have a dedicated Google Drive, you could simply back it up to your email, or you could write it down as a seed phrase. So any of which you select is a good option. So I'll be going with the seed phrase option or the Google Drive. Click on by writing it down. So this is just the short information or the short text. It says your OKX wallet is a decentralized wallet that doesn't store your seed phrase and private key. These are keys you keep for yourself. So please keep them safe, and click on the icon again and things to remember. Okay. Okay. All right. So if you click on start, you simply enter your password and your secret phrase would be shown, which you could simply write down and simply click on done with next step. By doing that, you get to back up your wallet and you save yourself from risk of losing your assets and any other information you have on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can back up our OKX wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.